in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. The IOMS is the newer portal which we are using for the exam activities from last academic year, that is 2020-21. So it is observed that for most of the students, result is not published at student login, and hence today I am going to show you how the faculties can publish the results from institute login so that it will be reflected in the student login. So let's start with the process. So this is the institute login. In the institute login, you have to click on admissions, admissions and examinations. So here new tab is provided to you, that is approval. So here in this approval tab, mark statement approval section is given. You have to click on that. Here you have to select the proper combination to publish the results. For which exam you want to publish the result, that combination you have to select. So here I am selecting academic year 2020-21. Name of the examination, summer phase 2, faculty pharmacy, course Bachelor of Pharmacy, branch B Pharm. In the examination, you have to select the semester for which you want to publish the result. So actually this summer phase 2 is for the second semester, regular second semester. But I want to publish the results for supplementary examination. So that's why I am selecting here the first semester. After selecting the combination for which exam you want to publish the result, after that the list will be displayed over here. Those students who are applied for the examination, those students can be shown over here. Under this approval tab, the checkbox is given. We have to click in this checkbox for which student you want to publish the results. So here you can, if the results of all the students is correct, then you can select all the checkbox. But if you want to publish the results for the specific students, then you can check it accordingly. So here I am going to publish the result for first one student, then third student, fourth and fifth. For this student, the error is there in this result, so I am not going to publish this result. But all other results are correct, so that's why I am selecting this much. After clicking on this checkbox, we have to just click on this save button. So in this way, the result can be published at student login. If we want to see the result of individual student, at that time we have to click on this bulk mark sheets. So when we are going to click on this bulk mark sheets, you will receive the copy of each and every student result. So as per their PRN number, the result will be seen over here. These results you can download it, you can make the print of these results for your use. So in this way you can publish the results from institute login. If you want to publish the result of second semester, then you have to select here second semester. So here you can see the list of all the students will be displayed because this is the regular examination of semester 2. So before going to publish the results, you just check it once whether the checkboxes are selected or not. If it is selected, that means the result is already published. If it is not selected, that means result is not published at student login. At that time you have to select it all and just click on save button. You have to select the proper combination of examination for which you want to publish the results. So these steps you have to perform it from your institute login. This video is particularly for the faculties who are working with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University. For any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope you all have understood the process. Keep watching this channel for updated information about IOMS portal. Thank you so much for watching this channel.